Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life on a 2016 Dodge Ram. So you want to go ahead and turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. These are the keys you want to use to navigate throughout the menu. As you can see, that's what it say, oil change required. So you want to go ahead and press this key right here, and it will go back to the menu. All right, then what you want to do is use up and go to vehicle info. All right, then you want to press this key that's facing to the right, and you'll see it's gonna say oil change. You're gonna say oil life at the top, and it say good 0% and change. You might not say 0, but to reset it, you want to go ahead and press the key to the right again. Press and hold it for a little bit. That's it. You press and hold it for a little bit, and that's gonna come up. Then you want to go down and press yes. All right, and that's how you do it, my friend.